I'm Nathan Holmes, Managing Director at Revive East Anglia, and I launched the business in March 2007. I think I was the first or the youngest franchisee in the Revive network, so I was 24 I think. Left school, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, so sort of bounced around a few jobs that didn't really interest me. I actually bought a business doing internet marketing, and that's what kind of gave me the inspiration to run a business, but it never really took off. There was lots that I didn't understand, and that's what kind of drew me to Revive and a franchise, basically. Like having, the model in place, the training and everything, because I knew I could run a business, but I needed some guidance to be able to do it. 2007, it was just myself in a van, really tried to understand the business, learn everything about it. Andy Blackhurst, my now co-director, he joined in 2010, and then we went on from there to employ another 2 technicians, so there's 4 of us. I was doing everything, and I could see that if I took on another 1 or 2, it was only going to get worse unless I had some sort of structure in place. So it was 2012 when I decided to take Adam and Andy into the business as directors, and that's when it kind of took off, really.
Before I joined Revive, I was a technical manager for British Gas. My job was part for redundancy. I decided that I wanted to be in control of my destiny. So at that point, I bought into the business with Nathan, which was Revive Cambridge then, and we've now grown to Revive East Anglia. I look after the mobile team now, so there's 8 bodywork vans and 4 alloy wheel vans, and I also go out and I look after all of our dealerships accounts, so I spend a lot of time on the road.
I was looking for a change and met Nathan, who had an opportunity to train as a bodywork technician, so worked out of one of the bodywork vans for a couple of years and then took things from there. Most of the bodywork happens downstairs, and that's the area that I'm mostly involved with. So we've got 4 of us down there doing various bits of stripping and fitting, bodywork repairs. I was keen to buy into the business because I could see the potential that it got, and I could see that Nathan was very determined to get to where he wanted to be.
When I joined, we all put our heads together and we decided that we wanted to be a £500,000 business within 5 years. At the time we were sitting around 225,000, basically wanting to double the business. But the biggest thing that we did was this: we invested in ourselves. So we kept putting money back into the business. We took on our first unit, put more vans on the road, and really it got out of control because we bought extra territories as well. And within 5 years, we actually managed to achieve 1.15 million. So we doubled what we set out to achieve.
One of my biggest achievements is setting up this place, our unit in Waterbeach. It's fully bespoke. It's been built exactly how we need it. It's capable of having probably 15 members of staff here. And yeah, it's working really, really well now. We've had great success within the network. We've often been the first to various milestones and stuff. And that kind of, in a way, keeps us pushing on, because now we've done that, we just want to always be ahead. So yeah, trailblazing basically.
We will look to be the first £3 million business. It seems a massive way away because it's almost another 30, we've got to do another 50% of our work. We've done really well this year within the retail sector, and we actually have massive growth within that as well. So we're going to start to push that. So I'm going to need to recruit more people. It's a really exciting time because there's so much work. We are only scratching the surface of what's out there. So I'd like to be a £3.5 million business by 2028, and I'd like the mobile business to double by that time. So we're going to keep pushing the envelope. For a long time, we've been around the 10% mark of the Revive network, and we'd like to stay at that. So actually, they have a target of 40 million by 2028. So in an ideal world, we'll be 4 million, but I think if we try to do 3.5, we'll be there or thereabouts. We'll be probably snapping at the heel of that £4 million mark as well. Really, really exciting for where the business has evolved to.
Running your own business is difficult, but on the flip side, we're running a £2 million business now, and it's given me the opportunity to enjoy what I love. If you're looking to getting into franchising, absolutely go for it.